power of real food. In a lively little town, there lived a little boy named Sam. Sam loved playing outside with his friends, riding his bike, and exploring the park. But there was one thing Sam loved even more: eating his favorite snacks. Crispy fries, cheesy burgers, and sugary drinks were his go to treats. He didn't think much about what he ate. He just wanted food that tasted good and was quick to grab. Lately, though, Sam had been feeling different. He was often tired even after a good night's sleep. During his football games, he couldn't run as fast as he used to, and he'd get out of breath quickly. His mom noticed too. "Sam, you've been looking a little pale," she said one morning. "Are you eating well?" "I'm fine, Mom," Sam replied, grabbing a chocolate bar on his way out. "I eat enough." One afternoon, after a greasy meal at Quick Bites, his favorite snack spot, Sam's stomach started to ache. He felt sluggish and couldn't focus on his homework. That night, he had a strange dream. He found himself in a place called the Land of Energy, where everything was bright and colorful. But as he walked further, he noticed some areas looked grey and dull, and the people there moved slowly, their faces tired and pale. A friendly figure appeared, a girl about his age named Sia. She had glowing skin and a big smile. "Hi, Sam. Welcome to the Land of Energy," she said. "But something's wrong. The energy zones are fading and people are losing their energy." "Energy zones? What are those?" Sam asked. "They are the areas where people feel their best, full of energy, joy, and strength," Sia explained. "But the more junk food people eat, the less energy they have, and these zones start to fade." "Is there anything I can do to help?" Sam asked. "Of course," Sia said, handing Sam a backpack filled with colorful fruits, veggies, nuts, and a water bottle. "These are energy boosters. They help you feel energized and keep the energy zones alive." Sam hesitated but decided to give it a shot. He bit into a juicy apple and immediately felt a burst of energy. Next, he tried some almonds and felt stronger. A sip of water refreshed him like nothing else. Sia smiled. "See? Real food gives you real energy." Together, they explored the Land of Energy, and Sam learned more about how different foods worked. Carrots helped him see better in the dark patches, whole grain bread kept him full and focused, and yogurt gave him the strength to keep going. He even discovered that drinking water made him feel more awake and alert. The biggest challenge came when they reached the fading energy zone, a giant fast food restaurant called Greasy Galaxy. The zone was dark and sluggish, and the people there were tired and sluggish from eating too many unhealthy foods. Sam knew he had to do something. He opened his backpack and shared the energy boosters with the tired people around him. As they ate the real food, their energy returned, and the energy zone started to brighten. Sam woke up. He realized it was just a dream, but it felt so real. He looked at the half-eaten bag of chips on his desk and thought about how he had been feeling lately. Maybe there was some truth to what Sia had said. The next day, Sam decided to make a change. Instead of heading to Quick Bites after school, he went home and helped his mom cook dinner. They made a delicious veggie stir-fry with colorful peppers, broccoli, and tofu, served with brown rice. Sam was surprised at how good it tasted and how full of energy he felt afterward. Over the next few weeks, Sam started making better choices. He swapped his sugary snacks for fruit, drank water instead of soda, and even packed his own lunches with sandwiches, veggies, and nuts. Slowly but surely, he noticed a difference. He had more energy for football, his stomach aches disappeared, and he felt happier and more focused. One day at practice, his friend Vicky asked, "Hey Sam, why do you look so alive? What's your secret?" Sam grinned. "It's all about the food, man. Real food gives you real power." From then on, Sam became the unofficial health food ambassador of his friend group. He even convinced them to try a homemade veggie pizza night instead of ordering out. They were skeptical at first, but after tasting Sam's colorful veggie-loaded creation, they were hooked. Sam realized that eating healthy didn't mean giving up the foods he loved. It just meant making smarter choices. And the best part? He felt like a superhero every single day.